Hi, I'm Gary Brown, candidate for Detroit City Council. I've been blessed. As a child growing up in Detroit, my parents instilled in me a strong work ethic and a strong sense of service to my family, neighbors, and community. I took those values, joined the Marine Corps, and eventually became a Detroit police officer. I've dedicated my life to protecting and serving my fellow Detroiters. I've stood up to corruption and given everything I have to the people in the city that I love so dearly. But the job is not done. The city needs us to work together to turn it around and move our community forward. It's about leadership, folks. It's about working together. It's about setting a good example every day at the council table. As a city, we have a long way to go. But like my parents taught me, if you work hard and help other people, you can do anything. On Tuesday, November 3rd, I'm asking you to help me turn City Council around by voting for Gary Brown.
Paid for by the committee to elect Gary Brown.